Crown Academy has really prepared me in understanding the things I need to be looking out for as a first-year teacher, and as well as a lot of instructional strategies that I can use when I go into my classroom.
I really enjoyed working with students and helping them with their reading difficulties and those challenges. And so I'm really passionate about working with students and helping them overcome challenges. And I'm excited to carry that into the classroom.
It's important to have Crown Academy prepare me specifically because it's completely given me the energy, the positivity, the encouragement to have a really good attitude going into the school year, to kind of develop some new classroom techniques.